Hi, this is Janet from Try It Like It Created, and I am here today with Simply Earth Essential Oils Kit. And the kit I'm working with is from the August 2021, and it is all about stress relief and for the bath. And so what I have in front of me here is I have my labels from the box. I have my recipe card from the August box, and then the oils are all from the August box. I have peppermint, I have lavender, and I have peace and quiet. And then I have an empty roll-on bottle, and this came from my big box, as well as this coconut oil, 100% pure carrier oil. This came from the big box as well. So to begin, we're just going to open up our roller bottle and work on taking the roller piece off. You're just going to work it back and forth, and I have some oil on my hands, and so it's making it a little bit more difficult, but you can use your lid to remove or help remove that roller ball if needed. There we go. Alright, so that was easy. So I've got my lid, I've got my roller ball top here off to the side, and I've got my bottle. And then I'm just going to follow the ingredients. So it says 3 drops of peace and quiet. So I'm going to crack that open and go with 3 drops. You can see it pooling, and I'm ready to count 1, 2, 3, and that happens pretty quickly, so you want to watch what you're doing there. And then you're going to do 2 drops of lavender. And once again, I can see it pooling, 1 and 2. And then we're going to do 1 drop of the peppermint. Oh, this lid seems to be a little bit more tight than the others. There we go. Cracked it open. And it says 1 drop. Now, of course, you could add more of whichever scent you prefer. Here's my drop. You do want to be careful with peppermint, though, if you're putting it on your skin, because it can be irritating, so you don't want to go too much there. And then I'm just going to fill the rest of the bottle. I don't know if you can even see this, but the oils are filled up to about right here, and then I'm just going to fill it the rest of the way with the coconut oil. As I'm squeezing the bottle, maybe you can see my fingers shaking because it's a hard plastic. And it's just entering the bottle drop by drop. You could definitely take the lid off. You could use a funnel if you prefer. This is working fine for me, so I'm just going to continue adding this drop by drop into the bottle. I feel like I have good control. I can also make sure that I'm not getting too much in the bottle since I'm adding it drop by drop. Now I'm just going to fill it up right to this edge here, and the reason I'm doing that is because you can see that the roller ball is going to take up some space in the glass bottle, so I don't want the excess, to come out. So there I have my roller ball on there. I'm just going to give it a good up and down a few times to integrate all that oil. And then the last thing I need to do is find my labels to put on the bottle. So what we made here was Quiet Moment Roll-On, and so here in the light blue at the bottom is my label, and I'm going to put that right on the top of my roll-on. Sorry, I'm off camera here. Let me get in so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm putting that on there, and then you get this label here, quite large, that goes around the bottle, and it tells you the directions so you know what's in here. The ingredients, it tells you what's in it, and then directions says to apply to your pulse points to ease your mind. So I'm going to line that up on the outside of my bottle, and then roll in one direction and then the other. And there I have made my own quiet moment roll-on with the essential oils that came in my August box. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if interested in purchasing your own, I will put links down below. I am an affiliate of Simply Earth, and with your first purchase, you will get a discount of $40. And so that would cover your next purchase. So basically, by buying one, you're going to get the next one for free. So it's a great deal, great opportunity, and a wonderful company to work with. So I hope you do take the opportunity to look into Simply Earth.